You did a Rhyhorn. I got Dawn helping me while I go feed the cats. The Pokemon Go special event started at 9, and
poor thing.
I can't do it. I can't carry both phones, catch Pokemon on both phones, feed the cats, take video. You know, there's only, oh, you got an egg now. There's only so much of me. You start another egg after you're done with that. No paper this morning for Dawn at the end of the driveway, but he's reading yesterday's paper here on the floor.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
With a little help from his friend.
Yeah, that's right.
It's sunny out there this morning. It's not raining. Yay! It's a gorgeous morning out here. Texas kind of seen Morrison stripe. Good morning, boys. Hello, hello. Even though it's hard to catch Pokemon and walk, I'm not gonna cut my boy short this morning. I'm gonna go for my walk anyway. It's too pretty out here not to. It's not super warm or anything. It's just not raining. Warm is later in the week. 60 something they said. This morning's game has been every few feet throw myself down for a belly rub. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. Hello, sweet boy. One more time. There you go.
Well, here we go. First time. It's been a week. We've had the home link, but I haven't drove poor Jules in a whole week. First time really using the home link thing to get out the door. Now hopefully, there goes the garage door. So here we go. How cool is that? And I'm noticing it says left door. It's over the top of the video. I mean the rear camera. All right, and it's seen it's throbbing. It's shutting the door. Way cool. I like it.
Don and I are out in Jules for a Saturday afternoon drive. It's sunny and 44 degrees and
windy.
Yeah, you don't really want to be outside. Yeah, it's very windy. It's very brisk, chilly, but it is very nice in the car. Absolutely. The solar gain, the sun coming in through the windshields. It feels awesome.
Yeah.
Hi, red Model 3.
Yeah, they were checking this out. It's a car full of people, a couple guys.
Tesla owners for what, like 3.5 years now, and still fascinated with every Tesla we see on the road. That's just how it is.
Yep.
So over here on US 70, getting on 40 headed toward Raleigh and the Beltline, and 40 toward the beaches backed up. Must be construction on the weekend or something. I don't know. Michelle's poor husband Sean, he's got to come through that part of 40 all the time, coming to and from RTP. I guess COVID this year and working from home has given him a little bit of a break, but that's his commute and that's rough. Well, I'm glad Dawn and Jules are driving, because I don't like it when I'm up against the cement. I don't like it at all. Is she doing good, Donnie?
Yeah, she's doing really good. I mean, I'm impressed.
Yeah, the car doesn't feel claustrophobic or doesn't see the risk of the wall as any different than the risk of a car in the lane beside, or any of those other problems that I personally have as a human, so that's good. This is still 401 on the north side of Raleigh. I guess they're making it 4 lanes, as we just, you know, you can't get away from construction here. Progress, we'll call it progress. I'm sure it's necessary, but wow.
They're gonna build a lot
historic Louisburg, North Carolina, and there are a lot, and I mean a lot, of really cool older homes in this downtown. And a lot of them have been fixed up. A few of them could use some fixing up. You know, a lot of them are in very reasonably restored. I would suppose some of them are bed and breakfast. Be a good way to fund it.
Yeah, well, I have no idea what the economic basis industry for Louisburg
up here is. Yeah.
No idea.
Riverbend Park is closed today because the Tar River has flooded. The Tar River always floods. It just does. And wow, it's a lot of water out there. You can see the playground here, the trail inside and everything. Yep, we're having a lot of water. Hopefully it'll recede this week. Just for fun, we're gonna head to the Henderson supercharger. I've been there before. It's a Sheetz with Michelle and the kids when we went up to Littleton, North Carolina, and saw Bigfoot. But Don hasn't been to the supercharger, I don't believe.
Well, plus it'll let us go home a different way.
Right, we'll make a circle again.
That's right.
Ruin Creek Road, huh? It's just off I-85. We had to hop on 85 and come down and exit from where we came into Henderson from on, what were we on? 401 still? 401 39, something like that. Yes, we were on
401, yeah, that's right, I believe so.
Go to your right.
Yep. Model X.
Yep.
Model 3.
Go charge us in. Plug us in, Donnie.
I'm sorry, what, sweetheart?
So our starting range was 119 miles. I suspect we could have got back home without supercharging. We're just kind of having fun today.
Yeah, display, energy. Yeah, we're at 43%.
This is just
yeah, we're gonna go in and
I'm just saying though, we're only gonna get 150 here max, right? And yeah, this high state of charge we're at, we're not gonna.
Yeah, well, 137 is not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's just, it's a V2 supercharger. It's just here at the Sheetz, we're up to 132. It's a relatively new, I guess it's been open a little over a year. So we're 72 miles or an hour and 16 minutes away from home. We'll get there a little after 5. And I guess since it's not saying anything about anything, we already have enough to leave. Yeah, if we leave right now, we'll get home with 24%. So that's why it wasn't telling us how much longer to stay or anything. We are not going to take 85. We're going to take US 1, which means back up and down over this way. Don compared it on his phone maps, and US 1 is not that much longer, like maybe 5 minutes or something. And, you know, we just don't want to get out on the interstate. We'd rather take the back road. So Don and I both used the restroom, and yep, we got plenty of charge, so we're out of here.
That's right.
So Don and I like to drive up 401 better than we're liking the drive down US 1. It's just a little less to see, a little more congested. Kind of looks more like an extension of Raleigh, way away from the city. Yeah. That's my Donnie. Both hands on the wheel. Autopilot and the nice cement wall over there again. I'll be glad when I get all this construction done over here on the Beltline leading between Cary and Crabtree Valley Mall. We stopped here at Whole Foods. I was unprepared for dinner. I forgot to defrost anything, so I needed to have something ready for us quick when we got home. And I don't know why people left those carts out in the way. Well, Main Street Fuquay's pretty busy for a Saturday night.
Yeah.